Welcome back. This is Open Exchange, and we are coming to you live from the CNBC-TV18 Motilal Oswal studio. Well, we're going to be getting the pre-open rates in just a bit, but for the timing, let's get in our tech guest, Shrikant Chouhan, as well as Kush Bohra joining us. Good morning, gentlemen. Thanks so much for joining in. Well, Shrikant, you go first. We're starting a new series. How do you approach the index? And if you want, you could fill us in with your picks as well immediately.
Yeah. Good morning, Nigel. I think, the Nifty is very clearly indicating us that it is heading upward. It has spent a lot of time close to 16,900 levels. And on Wednesday, when there was a monthly expiry, we saw the markets were closing at the highest point of the day. So while looking at the entire pattern, I think we are heading for at least the levels of 17,200 or 250, where the market is having resistance of 20 days simple moving average. So that is what we are seeing in the near term. For the Bank Nifty, the important level is 40,000, and above that, the next level to watch out for would be 40,300 or 400. So broadly, we are of the view that we should be buying even at current levels, and if there is any correction.
Kush, what about you?
Yeah, hi Prashant. On Wednesday, I made a case for a near-term bounce in the Nifty. I'll add on a couple of factors to that today. See, globally, Dow has closed above a downward sloping channel, and Nasdaq 100 has entered a technical bull market after 3 years. So some positive rubber from the global markets. Back home, as Shrikant just said, 16,900 has been defended multiple times, and FIIs being 91% short, in fact, makes a very strong case for short covering. So I too would be bullish on Nifty, slightly more optimistic than Shrikant. 17,300 is where I see the Nifty. 16,900 would be my stop loss. Bank Nifty already above its 200-day moving average, knocking on the doors of 20-day moving average. 40,500 is my target on the Bank Nifty, and 39,700 is where I would place my stop loss.
Okay, got that. What about individual stocks? Since both of you are bullish, Kush, what would you be looking to buy and sell this morning?
Well, the list is long, but I'll restrict myself to two. Power Mech, this is one of the stocks that has been doing rather well. 2370 was a resistance zone. The stock has crossed and sustained above that. So 2460, the 52-week high is where I would place my target. 2370 would now be my stop loss. Grasim also very similar, has been doing well, has been rising in a weak market as well. So 1650 is an immediate target. 1620 would be my stop loss.
Okay, Shrikant, your stock picks?
Yeah, Prashant, I think on Wednesday when the recovery was there, we saw specific recovery in almost all the banks. And in that, Axis Bank did really well. It closed above its previous high. And the entire pattern is suggesting us that it is heading for the levels of at least 860, 870. So it's at current level, it's a great buy with a stop loss around 835. We also like Reliance Industries because there also we saw good amount of resilient activity around 2200. From here, again, the stock can move to the levels of 2300 or 2350. So both are looking good at current levels to buy and hold.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, gentlemen. Well, let's get in Chandan Taparia as well.